Well, hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today we're just going to do a quick unboxing video on the Kobalt 24v Brushless palm router. Let's get started. Alright, very top we got here our manual. Let's not lose that. We got a wrench. Let's open this up here so I can show what's actually in it. So we have a wrench, our dust port cover, and then we have a couple of fasteners here. Don't want to lose those, so we'll keep those in the bag. Next, the way this comes out, here is the tool itself. All right, nice, clean, ready to go. Adjustable, looks awesome, spectacular. Love this Kobalt brushless line. Okay, and we have our guide here. So we're looking as to how complicated this is. Let's go ahead and get it set up. All right, so taking a look at it here. Honestly, I've never used a palm router before, so if you haven't either, then this kind of video is for you. All right, so it's adjustable. Looks like we have our adjustments up and down here, and it's all tied. We have our measurements, and simply lock it down in place. I like that. This is maybe hard aluminum. Nice, slick, smooth. So it doesn't seem like there's any room for error when it goes up and down here. Like I said, I'll go ahead and show you. Say right there, kind of slides up and down, but I mean, really, as long as you're controlling this. I guess I can see where that'd be a pain if you're set something that the weight of the router itself does drop. Okay. Let's see here. So here is for our dust collection, and it looks like there's going to be, so there's a little plastic notch here that goes into that notch right there. It'll hold in place. On this side, however, on this side, it looks like that's the reason for our fasteners. My money is betting it's going to be the small fastener. We have two washers in here, so for our two fasteners, two washers, is like a locking washer. Maybe this doesn't go on either one of them, really. So right here, yep, slides right on in. Good. All right, so that's our dust collection. And then back here, it's like this is where this would slide in. I'm not going to use this now. Okay, so the way this goes is you're going to have your, this is technically called the edge guide locking knob. So you're going to put our spring washer in there, followed by our pan washer. And this slides up and down right here. It's a little notch. And from the looks of it, get all the way in. Wow. This thing isn't really going anywhere. Down here, we have our guide system. Cool, so this is that pretty easy setup. Looks like in order to adjust the arbor in there, we'll have to take off our dust collection cover. There we go. In order to have access with our wrench to get inside there. Yep. I guess they did make it to where you get it from the top, but you don't really have that kind of space. Here's our locking mechanism here for the inside. Yep, there it is. That's where you lock it. So it's pretty intuitive, I'll give it that. There we go. Able to easily lock it, unlock it this way. Yep. I guess I wouldn't probably go that route because it looks like you could probably scratch up the inside here, which would start scratching up your work pieces, so you don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and see how this sounds right out the box. I have a 4 amp hour battery here. Just gonna go ahead and plug it in, let it rip. Said it's also got a well, slow starts for safety. We're gonna adjust. That sounds awesome. All right, that sounds awesome. So, pretty easy unboxing. I'm ready to get to work. I like it. Well, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and be on the lookout for my future unboxing videos.